We're up in Renmark in South Australia for Christmas, and we've taken the opportunity to take the bike up there to give it a bit of a run around their property. This front yard's a bit bigger than my front yard in Adelaide, so I get the opportunity to ride it and see what happens. It needs a bit of a shakedown. I run around this front yard a few times to see what's loose and what might be coming off before I head out around the vineyards. Look, this first run around the property, I was having difficulty changing gears, and I think this first lap was in first gear the whole way, but after that I got it to change gears and found that if you keep the speed up, it was easy to change into second and third and fourth. And when I headed out around the actual vineyards, when I had a good run down a road, I reckon I was getting it up to 40 kilometres an hour. You could have ran after me at this pace that you'll see here running around the yard. But yeah, look, I was really happy with the way the bike went. I put the first 15 kilometres or something on the clock since the rebuild, and no problems at all. As I said, I was a little concerned initially that the gear shift change was a bit stiff, and maybe it was, and it loosened up as the oil circulated, and it had a go at going into the different gears. But all in all, it was a good test, and it's now ready to do some more at other sites. So get out to your shed, have a go. This has been a great project.